Welcome back, everyone, to Math 1314 More on Math. Today we're going to talk about Chapter 5, Section 4, Properties of Logs. The first one, express as a sum of logarithms. Remember our property. Whenever you have a multiplication of two or more terms, you can expand those by putting addition between each individual part. If it has a plus in front of it, that means it's multiplied. If it has a minus, that means it's divided. So what this one looks like is log base 22 of 22 plus log base 22 of 484. Right? So that's as the sum. I mean, if we were to find the answer, log base 22 of 22, this would be 1. And we'd see what's that made up. If it's 22 squared, 22 times 22, it's 4, 4, 4. Ah. So this one would be log 22 . 484 is 22 squared. So again, that goes out in front. So it would have 1 plus 2 times 1. So it'd be, this whole answer here for this one would be 3. But that's if we would solve it. All we want is to express it as a sum. Express ln of VW as a sum of logarithms. So it's ln of V plus ln of W. Express as a product. Product means multiply. So exponent has to go in front. So it's 5 log base 10 of Z. So there's your product. Express as a product. So we don't have any special operations. So the first thing we have to do is convert that. What is the fourth root? Remember, these are our rules we had back in earlier in this course. Whenever you have a radical, whatever's inside the radical, that's your numerator. Whatever your root is your base. So the power inside there is 1, and the root is 4. This is an exponent, so it goes out in front. And there's your product. 1/4 times ln 8. Now, whenever you have fractions, the property said this. Whenever you have fractions, it's the same as subtracting the top minus the bottom. So this one is log base C of B. That's on top, minus log base C of 8. And there's the answer. Express as a difference of, difference means subtraction. Log of the top minus log of the bottom. It's base 10 already. So there's your answer. All right. Now this one is a little bit bigger because we have a members, but now they're all multiplied, so we're always going to have a plus between them. So we have a log base d of the first one plus, since they're multiplied, log base d of the second one plus log base d of the third one. X squared, y fourth, and z. We can't have exponents, so those exponents have to come in front. So what we're going to have is 2 log d of x. Bring the 4 in front, so it's 4 log d of y. And the last one's just good the way it is. Log base d of z. And there's your answer. Oh, that goes in that small line. Express as a single logarithm. Okay, first I have to check. They have to have the same bases. Check. Now, since it's plus, I could take the two numbers and multiply them together. (22 times 2 is 44. So there's your answer. So it's log base t of 44. Expressed as a single. Okay. Subtraction. They're the same bases. They're both common logs. So I could take the first one divided by the second one, which is log base 10. 100 divided by 10. They cancel 0, so it's just 10. So this is log of 10. Since it's log base 10 of 10, the answer is 1. Remember, anytime you have the same base as the number, b equals 1. There's another property we had. A to the power log base a of x. If the bases are the same, it's just the operation of the exponent. Well, we have base e. ln is log base e. So since the bases are the same, they cancel, so we have 4x minus 9. Same thing here. This one is base 10. There's nothing down there, so it's log base 10. So those guys cancel, so it's just y. This one is log base e of e to the power 4t. Exponent comes out in front. 4t. Log base e of e. If the bases of these are the same, that becomes 1. So it's just 4t. All right, everybody. Good luck on yours.